Ito ang part 2 ng Honkai Star Rail. Yung nagbabalik yan tayo sa panibagong video. Let's play! Ito yung part 2. So, antayin lang natin, guys. Yun. So, start na. Start playing na.
Now that we found the... We should get going. We can use that console over there to unlock the elevator.
Yung gagawin, lalabas ako. So yun.
Let's go.
Hold on. Because I mustn't, so I'll have to... My leg is...
You won't...
Agreed. Let us worry about it.
Thank you.
Let's go, guys. Pwede ba to?
Sarap. Ito na yata ang pinakamalinis.
Bawal.
Nakalis na nakalitan ko. Dahil sa halagang 120 pesos, ay mayroon palang Paris Magnet.
Mas magaling ako sa yung kumalaban. Tandaan mo, di mo ko kakala.
Kasama ka sa mga fonts. Life and death.
Maingay nanay ko, guys.
It's such a vision.
Yun. Ito, gusto ko to. Ang gusto kong kalabanin, ito.
Step aside. I have no interest.
Babawian kita.
You have the worst luck running into me.
So, gusto kong i-heal.
With me out here, how can you lose?
Let's make it quick. Take this!
Patay.
Try that again.
Clemency? Never heard of it.
So, mamamatay na ba to? Di pa.
Rules are made to be broken.
So, ito yung girl version ni ano eh. Yung character ko. Boom! Walang kwenta. Lang guys, manguha muna tayo ng hidden secret.
The repulsion bridge has been shut down?
Yes. The enemy. More or less.
Anong meron dito? Parang may kalaban ah. Aba! Naunahan tayo! Sige, subukan mo. Dahil dyan, ikaw yung uunahin ko.
Let's go.
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking costs.
I told you I could fight.
So, ito i-heal ko.
Right there while I give you a present.
Take this.
So, yun. So, parang may tinuturo. Banda dun. Ay, no. Banda dun yung tinuturo. So, gumawa tayo ng panibago nating daan. Mag-U-turn tayo.
Hey, these shiny things.
No.
They were acquired
So, siyempre, tapos magkakaroon ng daanan dun.
Aw,
Hey,
is
dito.
that it? We've reached the elevator already? That wasn't too many My turn!
Ah, napabilis mo, pre. Pwede mo palang i-pass forward.
Fighting is meaningless.
Try hard sometimes. Watch this awesome move.
Pwede na pala i-pass forward to.
Tough luck running into me.
Have no interest.
Ang tagal ah.
Let's make it quick.
Time is now.
You're annoying.
Let's go.
Ano daw? Hoy! So, yun lang. Nag-restart yung ating Honkai Star Rail. So, mukhang mag-ano to guys, magda-download. So, tignan natin guys, i-back natin. Ayan o, may nakalagay o. So siguro di naman natapos yung video. Subscribe na lang kayo sa akin para manotif kayo. Bye bye!